Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 23rd to 27th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.17% negative move, 1.15687 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 1024 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description where you can directly buy the course. Also, these courses are not pre-recorded. These are all live one-on-one sessions. So if you are interested to learn one-on-one sessions and want to learn trading, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number or directly buy from the link given in the description. There will be total 6 sessions where each session will be of 1 hour, around 1 hour, and you can ask any questions that you have related to trading over there. Also, I'll be sharing my own strategies as well. So if you're interested, do contact me. So now let's talk about the closing first in Euro USD pair for on Friday. So here 1.15687 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.15500. Here the direct resistance is 1.15706. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15079 and then 1.4583. After direct support, we can see these levels. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16000 and then 1.16208. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, if you want to buy any challenges, you can directly use the discount coupon code which I also given in the description, where you will get around 30 to 40% discount as well. So you can use those coupon as well. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking it out as well. Also, if you are thinking that these rules are very strict of prop firm, then you can also use the real or the broker account, where I have given a link in the description of GTC FX, which is a broker in Dubai, where you can use these broker and you can directly buy and sell the Forex using your own capital. So if you're interested in that, I can also share the link given in the description even on my WhatsApp number. If you're interested, then I will directly add you to my premium Telegram channel if you open your account from those GTC FX broker. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.15687 was the closing. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 1.15079 to 1.15500. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. But if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 1.15706 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed this above this level. Then you can go for a long till this level, or your target could be this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. So overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range. But if the chart or the price shows us that the price is moving to upside and there is a candle closing as well, then we will go for a long as well. So we don't need to predict before any move. So we should wait for any prediction before we jump to any trade. We will wait for a candle closing and then we'll go for a long or a short. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative for Friday, or I'm expecting a closing till Friday in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.